I will show you how to download dataset images from Kaggle and then how to train them with Teachable Machine to make a pre-trained AI data model. For that, open up your browser and Google Kaggle, select kaggle.com and then go to the search bar and search for cat and dog. Click on and click enter. Select the one which is by Schubert, SLY Schubert, and then click on download, which says 218 MB, and it will start downloading the archive.zip file, which will contain all of our dataset images. And now click on show in folder and right click and extract all. Click on extract. Now it is extracting all of our dataset. After extracting, it will open up the dataset. It contains two folder, training set and test set. Training set contain all of the dataset images that we will use for training the model, and test set contain all of the dataset images that we will use for testing. Let's walk through over the dataset. These are all of the cat images that we will use for testing the model. Click on dogs. These are all of the dog images that we will use for testing the dog model. Let's see about training set. Now it contains all of the dog dataset that we will use for training the model. And let's see another one, cat dataset images. These are the cat dataset training set images. Then for training our model, search for Teachable Machine and select the one with google.com. And now we are here, then select get started, and among post project, audio project, select image project, then select standard image model, and now rename the class 1 with cat with capital C and hit enter, and rename the second class, which is class 2, with dog. And now we have to click on upload, choose image from your file, and then archive training set. Click on training set, and then inside training set we have all of the cat model. Select all of the cat's images and select open. Now it is loading the sample. It will take some time. Since we have 4000 images to load, it will take some time. So have patience or grab a cup of coffee. I don't know, whatever floats your boat. Voila. Cat's images are downloaded. Click on close button. And now for loading the dog, repeat the process. Click on upload, choose image from your file, and go back to the dog folder and select all of the dog images. Click on open. This process is no different from the above, so it will also require the same amount of time because it contains 4005 images. So wait for it to load all of the images. Now click on close. And since everything's are loaded and everything's fine, we have to click on train model. Or wait, let's see at what advanced settings says. To read more, click on the question mark icon and epoch. Epoch means how many times it is going to train our data set. Since epoch is 50, simply means that the model which we are building will train the whole data set 50 times, which is pretty cool, which is good for our model. And then batch size is a set of sample used in one iteration of training. In our case, batch size is 16, so that means 4000 divided by 16 will 250 batch per class. It will feed 250 batch of sample in one epoch. Now learning rate is a hyperparameter used in training of neural network. It controls how quickly the model is adapted to the problem. Now click on train model. Now it will begin the training of our model, which will require time according to your internet speed and speed of RAM. Oops, sometimes this pop-up will show, but click on wait and don't close the window, because after some time it will adjust and start training the model. And one tip for you, if it does not start the training, then close is one of the reason is your browser extensions. Close all of the extensions and start the whole process again. Now this pop-up says use your camera, just close it, and it is because after the training default selection is webcam. You can see here it says webcam, so change it to file and then choose images from your file. Select any images that you like, and it must be from test set. Go back to select any image and click open. Voila, let's say cats 100%. It is cat 100%. Now choose another image of cat to see if it is working good. It also says cat 100%, means our model is working fine. Let's see for dog images. Select any dog, click open. Now it also says 100%, which is quite good, pretty good. Wait, it's excellent. Now after doing this much work, I want to be sure, like it is sure by 100% dog. Sure 100% dog. Kidding. Last but not the least, let's see this dog image. Click on export model and TensorFlow Lite, and then floating point selected. Click on download my model. Converting model. This is doing the whole process of converting your model in cloud into a file with .tf-lite extension. When it is done, it will show a pop-up that says converted _ tf-lite.zip, and here it is, converted _ tf-lite.zip, showing folder, and so click on it again. It have two files, one is labels.txt, another one is model _ unpoint.tf-lite. Let's take it out from the C folder and paste it right here. Click on labels.txt, have 0 index for cat class and 1 index for dog class. This is it, guys. In next video I will show you how to use this model in Flutter SDK.